Hey people, so as of yesterday, I saw this movie Dil Bechara, that's on Disney Hotstar, and uh, being Sushant Singh's last film, it's literally, honestly, just making this video itself can make me emotional because after watching that film, for for some time I couldn't really, I wasn't functional. Yeah, I mean, like in terms of in the movie, the Sushant Singh's character passes away, and his friends attend his funeral. That's how the movie closes, really. So, at some level, I feel, yeah, it's art imitates life, or in this case, it was life imitating art. And honestly, it was such a like, it was so depressing that if anyone were to act in that film, you would also feel like doing the same. Like, I mean, at some level, I'll be honest, they've kind of glorified death, yeah, in that film. So no, I'm being honest. Normally, I really profusely praise movies, but it was a very nice, impactful film. It impacted people to such an extent that the lead character actually decided to go through with, and literally in the real world, that's what happened. Like when he passed away, there was so much. I mean, it's like the whole country was in mourning. But on a very brighter note, I have to say this. That Disney Hotstar decided to release this film free of cost for, like, normally to watch a film on Disney Hotstar you need to pay a subscription, which most in case you like, Disney Hotstar is one place I would truly recommend to get a subscription. But this particular movie, for the sake of, as a tribute to Sushant Singh Rajput, they allowed everyone to watch it, those subscribers and non-subscribers. And I think because of this one gesture, this film is become one of the fifth most watched film on the planet, with 75 million views or something. So there is this theory called Nishkam Karma or something, like in case you do something selflessly, the universe in turns returns that kindness. So I find that beautiful. It's like, I like that thought, that it's it's just so beautiful. So watch it, people. Dil Bechara, and it's, you'll just feel Bechara Sushant and Bechara audience also, because I don't know, it's such an emotional experience. And in all this, I've not spoken about the lead actress, you know, Miss Sanghi, Sanjana Sanghi. So she's also brilliant. She's apparently acted in 150 commercials, and she's done her thesis on Dil Chata Hai, and she's from LSR, Lady Shri Ram College, Delhi, and she was a topper there. And also, no, I did a little research on her, and she was also in this movie Rockstar, Imtiaz Ali film. So really, so this is a super super long video, almost 3 minutes long, but do watch it, people. It's a brilliant film, Dil Bechara. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And Sushant Singh Rajput will live on forever in our hearts. Thanks for watching, people.